Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your account on the Clash of Clans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Clash of Clans game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your home village. Now from here, if you have already logged into your account and you wish to switch your account that you are logged into, then you can tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. From here you will see your Supercell ID as well as the switch button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now see your current account as well as another login button. You can tap on the login to Supercell ID button and then tap on continue, and you will now be asked to enter the email address. Type in the email address of the new account that you wish to switch into and then tap on the login button, and you will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find this code within. After typing in this code within the next screen and proceeding forward, your other account will be added within the game as well. Now, if you wish to remove the old account, you can tap on the edit button and then tap on the cross icon in order to remove the old one and only keep the new account that you have switched into. Or you can keep on switching within the two accounts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch your account within the Clash of Clans game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.